Oh, sorry, guys. Thank you for, yeah, thank you for letting me know. I think I was muted, but welcome to our Wishpond webinar. First of all, glad to see so many people with us. Tom, are you with us?
I'm here. Hello, everyone.
Hey, hello. So, with us today, my name is Chris. I'm the marketing manager for Wishpond. So, I'm going to be giving this demo to you guys, presenting all the features of Wishpond's marketing platform. And to start it off, I wanted to say hello to everyone joining us. And there is a lot of participants signed up for this demo. So, hopefully within the next few minutes, more people will join. And if you have any questions, please use the chat. There will be also a question and answer section after our live presentation. Also joining us currently not presenting is Will, who is the product manager of Wishpond's products. So if you have any feature requests or any additional comments, that's great. You can just write them in the chat, and we will have definitely someone listening to all your requests here. So um, let's start. Tom, if you could just take a look at the chat, and if anyone has any questions, let me know. I will be going through the Wishpond platform and everything that's related to Wishpond today. So if you have questions, requests, please let me know. Guys, so starting today, my name is Chris. As I said, I'm the marketing manager for Wishpond, and joining me today is Tom, our content writer, who helped me organize this webinar. And there is we just organized a live summit 2 weeks ago or 3 weeks ago, and a lot of people were actually requesting a product demo. So we said, let's make this happen, and let's make this live webinar a thing, where we actually want to show how our platform works, how you can integrate all the separate parts for a successful marketing campaign. And we just wanted to use this opportunity to show it how it actually looks. So the first thing I wanted to show you is the platform. So in the platform, how it in the platform, actually, sorry, in the platform, I started reading the chat, so I will leave the chat for later. So in the platform, how it works. So the vision behind Wishbond actually is to have the world's easiest marketing solution for small to medium businesses. The idea is to have various parts of the platform integrate seamlessly with each other to create marketing campaigns, for you to be able to do all your marketing from one single place. And this includes features like landing pages, contests, um, email marketing, marketing automation. So there's a lot of features that work together with Wishpond, and the idea is to have the platform as a central place for all your marketing efforts. And we are definitely expanding the platform. If you're following us on social media, if you're following us for example, if you look out for our press releases, so that probably some of you might do, is that basically every month we're adding new features to the platform, and with those features we are actually expanding and improving the platform. So there's a lot of things going on in Wishpond, and there's a lot more things to come. So the platform is the first part, and there's also the second part, which is the marketing expert. So we have something additional at Wishbond that maybe not all of you know, but there is a marketing team of experts that actually can help you create what you want. So there is the platform part, but there's also the expert part. It's something we have support, but we also have the marketing expert team. So those are excellent specialists, experienced guys doing marketing campaigns for our clients, and they have a lot of experience using our platform. And with our platform, they can really create some excellent campaigns. And we will show you some of that stuff in a minute. So what we'll be covering today: Wishpond full platform demo, introducing our recently launched appointments feature, and how to get started and use Wishpond. And there's going to be a short Q&A afterwards. So the first, probably, and most important feature for our Wishpond marketing platform is landing pages. And when I say landing pages, it's a landing page builder, so you can actually create um, websites for your marketing campaigns, and you don't have to build a whole landing page. If you guys do marketing, if you do some specific actions or campaigns to drive traffic to your website, it's always better to have a specific campaigns that connected landing page that's connected to the campaign. So if you talk about a giveaway, a contest, if you offer a specific coupon, or you're encouraging people to sign up to your newsletter, it's always better to have a specific website that's focused on that one goal, and not to have them go to your general e-commerce store and just like wander around without something in mind. So that's definitely one of the most important features here. And actually, I wanted to ask: is there would anyone want to share, like, is there any specific business here that you're running or looking to do? I want to see if there's any specific funnel that you're looking for currently today. And I'm asking because we have prepared, together with Tom, a funnel that we're going to be designing using our Wishpond marketing platform. Of course, this is going to be a very simplified version. Oh, cool. Alina, I'm doing a service-based funnel. Okay, cool. So I think this is actually going to be something that you would like. So I wanted to start. Oh, quiz funnel, cool. That's going to be something cool for us for the next webinar, I think. Today we prepared something more service focused. So this would be something very much for services, doctor, maybe pet grooming, maybe something else that is requiring is focused on lead generation, is focused on generating payments, and it's also focused on appointments. So this is the kind of thing that we prepared today. So just to give you an overview of how we wanted to do it today. So I will jump to a separate presentation, to a separate flowchart. I'm not going to go into the details of each feature now. We will cover it in a minute, but I want to tease what we're going to be building today. So to start off, what we're actually going to be doing is creating this funnel. So this is example Yoga Studio funnel. Why Yoga Studio? Because we have a template for Yoga Studio already, and that's why it's going to be a lot faster for us to create this funnel with Wishpond and not actually create everything from the scratch, but we will be creating this specific funnel. So what's it gonna consist? So first of all, of course, if you have a marketing campaign, you wanna generate leads or emails, you wanna have a specific landing page. So the landing page is gonna offer a free class. And for that free class, we will invite everyone just if they give us their name and email. This is going to be very simple. We are going to request a name and email. And with this particular offer, if they leave, we want to show them a pop-up. So this is also a Wishpond feature. Then after they sign up for this free class, we want them to actually schedule an appointment with us, because maybe this is a personalized class. Why not? Let's assume this is a personalized class. We are a very high level ticket service, and we want people to book a personalized consultation with us, a yoga consultation. And after they land on the thank you, after they register, select an appointment with us, what we do is we will send them an email sequence. So we're going to create an email offer, asking them to go to a payments page, because this is a free offer. But then what we're going to be doing is offering them a paid service. So we're not just going to be asking them, oh yeah, this is free, and then we're going to try to sell them. But just after they register, we will be trying to upsell them already to a paid offer. So everything here in this funnel, you're going to be seeing how we can do it today. Of course, let me just emphasize that this is a very simplified version. We're going to be using a lot of templates that's already there, and we're going to be trying to personalize it. But of course, doing a real funnel is a lot of copy, a lot of graphics, personalized graphics, a lot of strategy involved, a lot of configuration using our platform. So in general, creating a successful campaign requires a lot of different people. You can do it yourself, of course, but this is also something that's not not entirely we're not entirely able to do it within 1 hour, right? So that's why we're going to be doing this with our Wishpond builder quickly. So as I said, some of the things that Wishpond does great. So landing pages, definitely our top feature. Landing page builder creates responsive landing pages. You have templates ready. There's going to be also in the future some additional features. Well, maybe not features, but probably new templates available. So there's a lot of things going on there. And with this in mind, we're very happy with our landing page builder, and there's a lot of different things that's going to be done. Okay, so there's another thing is social media and social media contests and promotion. So with Wishpond, you can create sweepstakes, you can create referral contests, you could create landing pages for those contests. So if you want to generate traffic or generate interest, brand awareness using contents, that's also something that you can do. Referral suite. So you can actually encourage people to share information about your competition with other clients, and then you give them additional points for sharing this information with their friends. Pop-ups. So if you have an e-commerce store or basically any kind of store, you can use our pop-up tool to create this kind of lead magnets, attractive offers, or I don't know, download an ebook, slide-ins using Wishpond Builder. And you don't have to use it on Wishpond landing pages. You can actually just insert the code. You can just insert the code on your website, and it will still work for you guys. So online forums, this is also something that Wishpond offers. So if you want to create a specific form on your website, you can do it this way using Wishpond, and those leads would then be included into your Wishpond database, and you would have all your leads inside one central place and not only separated in a spreadsheet or in some other tool. You will actually have it in one central place, from which place you can then send them emails. Then we have payments. This is actually a new feature that we introduced not a long time ago. So you can create shoppable pages where you can add products, and those products you can buy directly from the landing page. And we will be actually creating a very simple integration for this upsell offer, and with the buy button, so with the payments feature from Wishpond. Something that we just recently released is the appointments feature. So now you can actually create book appointments. So if you're familiar with tools like Calendly, this is similar. This is a similar solution. So it's within Wishpond. It exists within Wishpond. It's a tool that you can add on your landing pages, for example. And from that one place, you also have all the leads. So you have all the leads there available, actually. And this actually, I think in fact this was released like 2 weeks ago or a week ago. A Wishpond account, so there is nothing that you have to be enabled. It's available to everyone, and to use it. Okay, so leads database, email marketing. So if you know how email marketing works, we're actually going to be creating something maybe not as complicated as here, and that's why I said within 1 hour. It's probably a bit difficult to create a very complicated funnel like this, but we're going to be creating a very simplified version of this to show you just what are the capabilities of our Wishpond platform. And yeah, so and there's also an integration, one-click integration with Shopify that integrates integrates seamlessly with it. And the last feature I just wanted to mention is the marketing funnels. So marketing funnels is something excellent. Previously, it wasn't possible. Now it is. So if you have, you can create a funnel, which means that you can create a landing page with various steps. So you can create, for example, the initial offer, the upsell offer, for example, the appointment, and then checkout. And there is, and it's all within one landing page. So it works great together. And this is like an example. So this is a form with various steps. So we ask the user for their email. They fill out some information. They fill out a questionnaire, and then in the end, they just send it to a person who will contact them. So there are various steps to this form. And why is it great? Because then we don't have to present them with a form with 10 fields. We can just create a website focused on one specific step and give the information to them one at a time. And this is something incredibly important if you are into user experience, if you are into maximizing your results, if you want to get more leads. This is something that actually is very important to do. So minimizing the friction, minimizing the stress on the decisions that the user is making, and giving him bits of information at a specific moment. So those are all the features that I wanted to discuss today. And now we're actually going to be doing this funnel that I said. So of course, Facebook ads and Instagram ads, this is something that we do through the platform panel. This is not something we're going to be doing today, but I just wanted to show there is a factor that it's not only something that happens after you do a landing page, the work is done. No, there's actually some part that has to be ongoing. There has to be a budget considered to get the leads. You don't have to use Facebook ads. If you have already a leads database, if you have already people there, you can just use the Wishpond platform to upload your leads and then send them to the landing page with a special offer. But if you don't, it's always good to have also a budget considered for campaigns. Great. So the first question. So what we have to do. So first, the landing page for the free class offer. That's the first thing we need to create. So this is an account that I created just for the purpose of this webinar. So let's assume if you're not familiar with the panel, with the Wishpond panel, this is how it goes. You can actually see your previous campaigns here. Then you click here, and you have all the features available to you guys. But let's go back. Then you have the leads database, and then you have the appointments feature, which is the new feature that we launched 2 weeks ago, as I said. So for the purpose of this product demo, let's create a landing page for a yoga studio, right? So we set yoga studio, and this is something that's already available for us. So let's preview. Let's see how it goes. Oh yeah, perfect. Like we just need to choose this specific landing page. Let's do it. Let's call it Yoga Studio landing page. Okay, so your logo. Let's make it easy. Let's make it easy. Let's not include any logo for this one. Just to make it easier for you guys to understand what we do. So try out any of our yoga classes free. So maybe let's change this text. So I want to say sign up for a free yoga class in Vancouver. Yeah, why not? Let's make it in Vancouver. Wishpond headquarters is in Vancouver, so let's do it for Vancouver. So last name, email, phone number. Do we need a phone number? We're actually not going to be contacting them. We only want their maybe name and phone number. So let's edit this. Let's change this to field text. First name. It's just call it name. Done. Oh, I didn't save it. So this is name. There is actually, sorry, guys. So add field name more. And it's placeholder text, first name, name. Okay, so we have name, email, and phone number. So I don't need the phone number. Then I delete this one and get my pre-class. Yeah, why not? Like this is actually just to show a demo. So let's do Vancouver. Did it work? Okay, it did work. So this is just for the purpose of this demo, right? So let's say let's assume this we're done, right? This is just the page where we're gonna bring traffic. So there's gonna be just get my free class as a call to action, sign up for a free class, yoga class in Vancouver. There's the name, email. We don't need anything else. Actually, we don't need anything else. But then what's happening is that there is the thank you page, right? So in our funnel, what we said is on the thank you page, we want to have an appointment, right? We want people to actually book an appointment with us. So I'm going to go back to our Wishpond account, and it's still not published. It's still in draft. So we're going to need to do this. But there is this appointment feature, and let's assume my friend Tom from Wishpond, our content writer, is the yoga instructor, and I've created a calendar for him. So this is the appointments feature. If you have an appointment, if you can see test, 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 everything's here, everything works. Is this is the calendar view, so you can see all the appointments that you have, all the schedules, all the bookings that you have. But I've created a calendar for Tom. So actually, if you have more employees or if you have specific services that you want to book, you can create specific calendar for each one of them. So to create a calendar, you actually need to copy this code. So let's just copy it and insert it into our Wishpond thank you page. Because what I want to do is, okay, so these guys actually uh, just booked, right? So thank you for booking, right? That's the first thing. And the second thing is, like, I need to insert our appointments feature. So actually, this is, I think it's bigger than this one. And let's do it here. Okay, because I think I need to make it a bit higher. Yeah, now it will work. And a bit wider. So now this actually will work for us. And as I said, this is just for the demo, right? Actually, if you want it to look great, there's more effort involved. You can create specific designs, specific layouts. But for the purpose of our webinar, this is enough for us to get by. Okay, so thank you for what? Thank you for booking. Please, thank you for booking. So let's maybe add this one for booking. Please select when can we expect you. I actually think this is too big. Let's make, so let's first of all change this one and change this to 24 maybe. Thank you for booking. Please tell us when can we expect you, and then the person will select a date where we can expect them. So this is done basically. I know this is very basic, but let's assume this is the way we want to do it. So let's publish this one. And if you know, like there are several publishing options. You can use your custom domain, you can use the Wishpond domain, but for the purpose of this webinar, we're actually going to be using this one. So sign up for a free yoga class in Vancouver. Name, let's check Chris. Email is chris@wishpond.com. Get my free class. Thank you for booking. Please tell us when we can expect you. And now the calendar should be loading. Is it loading? It looks like it should. Okay, it's loading. And then we can select the time. Okay, so Chris Slavic 555-111-222, and Chris at wishpond.com. So we actually see appointment booked, and it's already confirmed. You can also, as a client, you can add it to your calendar. So it downloads a file and you can add it to your calendar manually. Okay, so it works. I'm happy. Let's go back to our flowchart and see what's there. So we've done this part, we've done this part. Another thing that we have to do is create an offer pop-up and then the email sequence and another landing page. Okay, we're on track with everything. So now to create a pop-up, what we can do is actually go here to campaigns, how to create a pop-up, right? Okay, the pop-up was here, so we create one. We're also going to be using some templates that are already created with Wishpond, and they which one do we want? Like, which one looks cool? Maybe this one. Wait, sign up to get a free. Yeah, let's do this one. We're gonna change the messaging. So please don't go. So okay, wait. Um, so before you go, please please leave your email. This is a very simplified. If we would be doing real campaigns, of course, we're not going to be doing it this way. But since this is the way we're doing this, let's just assume you can do this way. So get my coupon, placeholder, default entry, label, email. Okay, so it's button text and submit. I want get offers. Of course, everyone wants offer. Who doesn't, right? So we have this, and now what we have to do, there is a thank you page also associated to this. So yeah, let's just change it. Thank you. You will receive our offers. Um, offers. Okay, we maybe let's make it a bit more special, right? We will send you a personalized offer shortly. So the person was interested in getting our offers, and then we want to actually send those offers to them. So we can what we can do is create is choose where we want to display this one. So Yoga Studio landing page. Hide on mobile devices recommended, maybe, maybe not. And when the person wants to leave, so let's do one per session, exit. Seems correct. Let's go. View live pop-up. Let's see if it works. So first of all, it has to load. It works. So let's do Chris plus demo webinar at wishpond.com. Man, thank you. We will send you a personalized offer shortly. Great. So we're basically 3 out of 6, I think, in our flowchart. This is very simple. This is a very simple funnel that we're building, but actually, that's something that a lot of business owners are not yet doing. So, if this is something that seems to you interesting and you want to build funnels like this, or if you want us to build funnels like this for you, actually sign up. Go and request a VIP demo, and we will all our customer success guys will actually show you how to do this and how to create campaigns like this, how to use our editor, and you can then increase your sales and get more leads. So where are we? We are actually here. So people, they come from some traffic source, they have a pop-up, we have a pop-up, we have a thank you page, and then to all the people. So maybe let's assume to all the people who actually input their email in the pop-up, we will be sending a special offer, right? Let's just send the offer to those people. Normally, we probably would want to maximize our reach and send the same offer or separate offers to different types of customer segments. But let's assume we're going to be sending only one offer to those guys. Okay, so let's go back to our editor. Let's go back to Wishpond Central. campaign management section. And what we wanted to create is, so like we're going to be starting this a bit differently. So first of all, we're going to be creating the landing page for the upsell offer. And why? Because from the email, we will have to send them somewhere. So we have to have the landing page already available for us. So let's choose a different one. Um, Something that looks simple enough. So yeah, so first of all, it was, okay, so let's assume it was a yoga studio and now we're going to sell them a course, right? So they sign up for a free class, but now it's we're still in COVID time, so we want them to download a course from us. Okay. Okay, so I'm going to select preview this one, and we're going to change it a bit and prepare it. So ebook upsell. So not free ebook. We want buy our yoga relaxation ebook. So we don't want this. For description, uh, practice yoga at home with our ebook. Let's assume this is correct. Like I won't change this one, but you get the idea. So the feature that we were saying that we introduced, I don't know, 2 months ago probably, was the integration with Stripe, right? So we can create this buy button. This buy button from me is actually already connected to a Stripe account, so I don't have to connect it. I just can create a new item, and let's say yoga course, one-time payment of 10. Let's do it 9.99. Let's go full on marketing. So we have this one-time payment. Next. I want them to send them to the checkout page, nothing else, to be honest. And I liked the previous color of this button, so I want this one. Maybe text color. I want to change the text color to this one. So buy now. Okay, and of course, like there's no price, or right? So buy our yoga book for 9.99. Okay, so we have this one. So by now it's connected. Your logo, we don't have a logo, and we're going here to the thank you page. Thank you. The ebook is on its way. Okay, so we have the ebook download page already also available. So let's just publish this one. I'm just going to copy this link. I don't remember if I need it, but let's just copy it. So we have 2 landing pages already. So there is two landing pages available. And what else is there to be done? Email sequence. So now let's create an email sequence. So as you can see, like everything I'm doing, I'm creating it from our panel, from our platform, right? And that's why from hello, hello. Okay, I'm back. Had some problems with my headphones, but I'm back. So I said, hey guys, I'm here. I'm here. I can see the messages. I had some problems. I'm back. So now what I want to do is create actually an email newsletter. So where is it? So it's an email. Is it an email newsletter or is it email automation? I want to create an email automation here for us, a standard automation. So when someone fills out the form, right? When someone converts on our pop-up, so have converted on, please don't go pop-up at least once ever. what we want to do. So here are the conditions. So you can select additional conditions, like page view specific, like if a person enters on a list, if there's a page view, their email, if there's a property to their lead, if they make a payment, you actually can do it also as a condition. So if they buy an ebook, we can say that we then send them a link to the ebook. But for the purpose of this webinar, we're actually going to send this to them. So please don't go. So they signed up and we said, okay, we're going to do a personalized, right? We're going to do a personalized email. So after, I don't know, let's like on even numbers. So after 37 minutes, we send them an email. And we're just going to create this email. So the name of the email is special offer. Then the subject line is um, we have something just for you. Tom, like I said, Tom is our yoga instructor. So let's go with Tom at Wishpond, and Tom at Wishpond. And let's just select, those are the templates that come with our editor, but you can create your own and save them as templates. So this is actually something cool. We have our own internal database of templates for our newsletter at Wishpond. And but let's just use something very simple. So like something, just something related to yoga. No, so let's choose this one that's colorful. So we want to upsell them, right? Um, so usually, probably we should send this offer to people who signed up for the free class. For the purpose of this webinar, we're just sending it to the people who signed up on our pop-up, on our newsletter pop-up. So welcome to our list. This offer is only for you. Smiley face. Please, uh, if you want to practice yoga in home, please buy my ebook. It's really, really good. For you only $9.99. Perfect offer. Of course it will work. How couldn't it work, right? Um, okay, then we have this one, and I need to put a link. So shop now, there's a link. Open this website. Yes. So we can actually use this one, or we can select a specific step in a campaign. Let's use this link. It doesn't matter, to be honest. So I'm just going to use this one. We can then add a link also to this URLs, because like if someone clicks the image, it will just don't do anything. I don't want those social icons. I don't want people to be distracted. There's this unsubscribe button. And logo. Of course, we don't have a logo. How could we? So this is then ready. So finish. So we have special offer done and send after those emails. So launch email automation. And let's say recovery. So lead recovery email. Okay. So launch automation. It's incomplete. Let me say if there's anything. Have completed. Have converted at least past month. Oh, okay, maybe that's why. Let's just assume this is why it didn't work. Let's see. Oh, that's interesting. What's happened here? So let's do it differently. So is it the please don't go? Is it the exit pop-up? I don't remember how we named it. Have converted on specific URL at least one times ever. Save. An action, send email, special offer. Okay, launch email automation. Maybe it's the conditions here. At least currently remove leads. Send this email to leads who are unsubscribed. Set the goal. It should be working. Maybe I'm just setting up something incomplete. Probably I'm doing something incomplete, so let's do it in another way. So let's do email automation, or maybe let's go this one. Standard lead on a list are members of. Please don't go. And we're then gonna be sending an email, special offer, sent automatically. Yes, done. Oh, okay. So I need to enable email sending from our, and that's why probably doesn't work. Okay, so there's some, I think there's some mistake with my account because maybe it's not enabled. So let's just assume this works for us. I think this account is new and it just doesn't have all the options enabled, and that's why it doesn't work. But this is the way that you set it up, and this is the way how you set up those recovery emails for the leads. I can show it on a different account, but let's assume this is a new account, so probably there's something not fully set up yet from my side. And let's check how our funnel works. So we actually did set it up. So we have the landing page, the offer, the thank you page, the payments page, and the email sequence. So everything is set up for us. So if someone goes on our landing page here, they give us our name, their email. When they try to exit, they get a pop-up. It doesn't pop up now because it's once per session. So we already saw it once. The second thing that's happening here is the upsell landing page. So this one where you can buy the ebook now. So actually, if I click this one, we didn't do it. So you go to Stripe, and there is this checkout page where you can input your credit card data, and then it uh, works. And then we have the lead recovery email where it's not published yet. There were some problems there. I'm going to check after our webinar what happened. And with this email, we drive all the people who signed up in our pop-up to this upsell landing page. Cool, guys. So from my side, actually, so actually that's from my side. That's everything for this product demo. I'm just gonna check out now the questions that you had during the webinar and see if I can answer them. If not, I'm gonna ask you to we're gonna just take them and yeah and reply later. So first of all, okay. Uh, Okay, so first of all, feature requests so that we can, so for drip campaigns, we can change elements in all newsletter by changing the template. Oh, that's a cool feature. I'm going to forward this to our product team. Maybe this is actually something that can happen. Like we're developing the product constantly, as I said, so maybe this is actually something we can do. So yes, I'm doing service-based funnel. This is the funnel side, mobile on-site services. Um, Okay. Can you build your own templates? You can build your own templates for email marketing. With the landing pages, I think you can import them. If you build one, you can import them. But that's something I will have to check with our product team. I'm not really sure if it's 100% possible now, but yeah, I will check it and get back to you guys. So that's one. The templates, how to access templates? The templates are there. So if you create, for example, a landing page, you have a selection of all the templates. For email marketing, there's also a selection of all the templates. I had added a logo, but I couldn't get it to fit. I ended up placing it outside the lines. Okay, interesting. Let me get back. I don't know if there is a specific size that we recommend. Maybe there is, but if not, I will check and let you know. Can you integrate the appointments, I think, with Google Calendar? Yes, you can actually connect it to your Google Calendar. So when someone makes an appointment, that appointment automatically appears in your Google Calendar. Uh, yes. For example, Calendar here, I don't know what that solution is. Yeah, cool. Um, to edit the payments page in the future. So the payments page actually is part of Stripe. So there's no possibility for us to change how Stripe does it. But there is a thank you page after the payment where you can where you can actually create some specifics for your own funnel that if you want some specific information there, like that the checkout page is something that we cannot do because it's outside of Wishpond. But yeah, that's definitely something that's possible. uh okay guys, perfect. So there's one more. Can actions be taken based on actions related to a referral or a reward? Oscar, can actions, I think in our email automation there is something like this. So email actions standard, I will check this for you, Oscar, but I think it's here. I think it's campaigns, and then you can select, for example, clicked a Twitter button on, clicked, had an entry approved on, or submitted an entry. So I don't know if this is what you are looking for. So for example, earn bonus points in, and then we can select a campaign. Like those campaigns don't have like bonus entries, but I hope this is the thing you're looking for because you can create specific automations there. Um, cool. So, as for your second question, I'm not sure. Are web stores required or non-e-commerce sites can be used with opt-in monster? Uh, not sure how to use that. Like for Wishpond, you can use not only with e-stores, you can do it with your own website, you can do it with a landing page created on Wishpond, and there are some other stuff that you can do. Like if you have already a landing page, a website, like even a whole system, you can integrate and use Wishpond pages and pop-ups on that system. So there's nothing that limits you there. Guys, thank you very much for being here with us, with me and Tom. I hope you liked this demo, and we're going to be doing this periodically. So join us like basically every month. We're adding new features. So if there's anything that you see and you like, and you would like us to incorporate into Wishpond, like show me an email. Shout out, show me an show me an email. Send me an email. I'm listening. And one more thing I forgot. So a part of all this, like I did this for you guys. I showed you how to do it. But there's also the marketing experts team that people, designers, copywriters, ad specialists, SEO experts. We have also people doing Amazon ads for our clients. So there's a lot of different experts that can help you guys to achieve your goals. And those guys. So for example, what can we do, right? So we do landing pages, we do custom graphics for you guys, we create contests for you guys, we create banner ads, video ads. So there's a lot of different things that require not only Wishbone but also some specific graphic design skill, copywriting skills, sales skills that we can help you to grow your business by creating a campaign, by targeting your ads, by creating the landing pages with Wishbone. So there's actually so many different things our marketing team can help you with. And of course, I'm going to paste this here in the chat. So if you want to learn more, if you want to learn more, please go here and book a demo and tell us what you think. Ask. Probably you will talk to one of my colleagues and tell them you came from the demo, tell them you liked the demo, and that you're interested in using Wishpond more. And based on it, you will get a special offer from us. So thank you very much for being here with us. If you have any questions, you can also write me directly at chris@wishpond.com. And yeah, thank you for being with us. Have a great day today. Bye.